everybody, I just thought I'd bring you a video today and show you what I'm going to be cooking up on the truck. I got me a almost 2-inch ribeye steak. It's 100% grass fed. I'm going to be putting some black pepper and I'm going to be using some Himalayan pink sea salt. Alrighty, I'm back. I'm going to show you how I season this steak up. Man, that's looking good. Got me some pink Himalayan sea salt here. We're going to just sprinkle that all over this piece of meat here. Give it a good bath in that pink Himalayan sea salt. Man, that looks good. Rub it in there, man. Look at that. Make that thing taste good. Get it all down in them cracks and crevices there. I'm gonna take some black pepper. Season it up real good. You can season your steak how you want to, but sea salt and black pepper works real good. Now I'm gonna just flip it over here. Look how thick that steak is. Man, it looks good. It's gonna be ribeye-licious. Season it up on this side. Guys, I'm back. I just want to show you now. This skillet right here is a 12-inch skillet. It's an electric skillet, and I use it to pan fry my steaks, and it works real good on the truck. I bought it from Walmart. I'm not advertising for them. I just want to share what I did. The control right there goes up to 400, and what I do is I preheat this skillet. And I get it up to the temperature, and then I put my steak in there. So I'll let my steak rest and sit with the salt and pepper on it for a while before I put it in the skillet. Okay, I'll get back to you when this gets heated up and show you the steak in the pan. Alrighty, I'm back, everybody. I got me a heat gun here. I'm gonna see what the temperature is on this pan. It looks like we got 475 degrees. We fixing to add some butter to that steak, and then I'm gonna put it in the pan. Okay, everybody, I'm back. I'm showing you what I'm doing before I cook this steak. I've got this ghee here. It's clarified butter. I'm gonna put a little ghee on this steak before I put it in the pan. I'll get right back with you. Okay, everybody, I'm putting this ghee on this steak here. Get it all rubbed on there. I'll be right back. Alrighty, everybody, I'm ready to put this steak on. Let's go ahead and put it in the pan. Man, I can smell that butter already. Man, that smells good. It's gonna be ribeye-licious. We're gonna let that cook for a little bit, and I'll get back with you. We just flipped this steak and we're letting the other side cook for a little while, and I'll get right back to you. The steak has rested and I've got it ready now to start eating here in a little bit. Got me an avocado cut up. Got me some sauerkraut. Gonna be real delicious. Well, there you go, folks. That's my meal. Thank you for watching.